Hi there, this is Daniel Wood with Mirror Agency. Wanted to share with you a quick demo that we put together around a bot for benefits in healthcare particularly. We did a proof of concept for Walmart, working with some of their publicly available information as they had rolled out PTO as a concept to their employees last year. So let's go ahead and show you what this looks like. This is using an interface through Facebook Messenger. And so I put in hello, it asked me what store I'm with. From there, it wants to know exactly what type of employee I am, and so I'm going to tell them I'm temporary, or actually I'm going to tell them part-time. Temporary would not give me benefits, so it wants to know if I'm working in any of the special areas, and I say no. And from there, great, what's my store number? 12345 for the sake of a demo. And they want to know what my hire date is, so I'm going to say 2003. This lets them know about my ability to get these benefits. So wonderful, thanks for the info. So we can roll in images into the feed itself. We can do free-form questions. We can do predetermined answers to help guide, which is a best practice with bot development. So PTO, what kind of questions? I'm just getting started. What is PTO? PTO is all-in-one approach. What happens if I have 80 hours at the end of the year left over? It tells me good news. Those things will roll over. There's a lot of different ways that I can engage with it, but this is really mobile focused, so that one click works. We have about 10 to 15 characters of text that we can use for our answers, and we can bundle bite-sized bubbles of information to help people get where they want to go. And so as we learn about these things, for example, it tells you this, but being that it knows when I started, how much can I earn? And so from here, we can again, blow out entire large graphics and images and show what these things are. After your 15th year of service, you'll get a 1 hour PTO for every 7.9. Lots of different ways to look at this. And maybe I don't have English as my primary language, so I could put in ¿Cuánto es PTO as a question, and sure enough it's going to come back in Spanish. So we can program this for all sorts of varieties of responses. We can look for synonyms, we can look for plural and singular versions of things. We can really code this to leverage artificial intelligence and natural voice recognition. There is the opportunity to use a mic and send a voice clip and utilize that on both the mobile and desktop versions. So some great things along those lines. So yeah, we think this is a terrific option for benefits departments that are trying to share information, have some automation. This can naturally escalate into a CRM of sorts, a Zendesk, other items along those lines. So there are lots of different ways to start to look at how this could work out. We can do long pieces here, leave of absence here, and start to trickle into using APIs from other groups, looking to see if there's anything else that we want to learn from. The other thing about bots is they can be utilized with SMS text, through instant messaging. They can be standalone apps. There's all sorts of different ways. The other thing is that you can use them as like push notifications through a native app without actually having an app. And the interfaces, particularly with Facebook, most people are very used to engaging with. So looking at some of other brands that are utilizing it, so Complex Magazine has a bot itself, and once a day sends me a highlight of news. And so you can push out articles, push out information in a proactive state also for all of those that have actually utilized the service itself, and it can personalize, so it knows I am Daniel just based upon the Facebook Connect protocols. So lots of opportunities there. Happy to talk to you about how we might be able to leverage some of these things for your organization. Feel free to reach out, and look forward to speaking to you further. Have a great day.